come. Beautiful people, top designer clothes, front row fashion shows. What you do and who'd you know? Inside the world, beautiful people, champagne and roll up nose, prenups and broken homes, surrounded but still alone. Let's leave the party. That's not who we are. We are not beautiful. Yeah, that's not who we are. We are not beautiful. Drove for hours last night and we made it nowhere. Now I see stars in your eyes when we're halfway there. I'm not fazed by all the lights and flash.